Hi, I'm Eric Guernsey. I'm a sophomore in the Science and Global Change Scholars Program studying aerospace engineering at the University of Maryland. For my practicum, I worked in an additive manufacturing lab at Northrop Grumman in Chandler, Arizona. Northrop Grumman is a major aerospace and defense company, and the lab I worked in produces 3D printed parts for a range of programs, including flight hardware. We operated several industrial Stratasys printers like the F900 and Fortus 450, working with high performance materials such as Ultem, Nylon 12CF, and Intera. On a daily basis, I was responsible for keeping the lab running. That included maintaining the printers, doing tip swaps and head swaps, clearing jams, and making sure everything was calibrated. I also handled print setup and slicing using GrabCAD Print and Insight, and managed post-processing steps like dissolving support material and finishing parts with helicoil inserts. In addition to day-to-day operations, I worked on a few especially interesting projects. I identified a safety issue in the machine shop and designed a custom outlet cover, which is now installed and being used. I also created cost analyses for multiple programs to help with budgeting and planning. Right now, I'm working on scoping a redesign of FCDC manifolds to make them more suitable for additive manufacturing. One of the biggest takeaways for me was how different real engineering is from my classes. When my coworker was out for a week, I ended up running the entire lab on my own, handling every printer, maintenance issue, and production request. That level of responsibility really showed me what accountability looks like in a professional setting. I also saw firsthand how additive manufacturing is used for actual flight hardware, not just prototyping, which gave me a much better sense of where the industry is heading. If you're thinking about your practicum, I'd strongly recommend looking for an industry opportunity if you can. It's one of the best ways to experience how work is actually done outside of the classroom. Also, try to take initiative behind your assigned tasks. It shows that you're reliable, willing to learn, and people will trust you with more responsibility. And overall, getting real hands on experience early makes a big difference, regardless of your major.